I'm Timinino, and I'm going to be making today. I'll be making a microphone stand for my table, for one of my mics. It's going to be a table mic. The microphone stand that is placed on desk or on table, but I don't have money to buy anything now. So what I'll be using is a PVC pipes, 20 mm PVC pipe. I don't know if you know it. It's like this. I don't know if you can see it very well. It's 20 mm, T's and elbows. But in place of these elbows, I'll be using T, and I'll be cutting the T, the other side of the T away. I'll be cutting it away. Then I need two. That means I need two of this T, 20 mm T. Possibly you can replace it with an elbow if you want, but it's all about you. Then the cutting knife to make some pegs. Then of course the microphone holder. I don't know if you are seeing it very well. Microphone holder. Of course, measuring tape and sander, then some paper, then 20 mm bending spring. What we use this one for is to bend the pipe. So I'll be cutting 2 feet long pipe, and I'll be bending it to the shape I want it to be, since it's a bendable pipe, not the breaking type. So that's the summary of what I'm doing now. Thank you. Like I said earlier, I cut 20 mm pipe into 2 feet long. You need a measuring tape. Cut it into 2 feet. If you check it, you see it's up to 2 feet long. And I use the bending string. I use the bending string to bend it to the shape I want it to be. It's like a circle, not pure circle like that, like an ellipse. Is it an ellipse? Anyway, so after that, take a T, and join the two together. Not down. There's no need for gum this time around. In this one, stable. You see it. Also, with the cutting saw, you cut off this small piece, which is about 11 centimeter. So after you put that one right inside 11 centimeter, you can bend it up a little. Then after that, you take another one, take PVC, cut it, get the 21 centimeter. 1 centimeter, you can see it. This one is 21. The elbow. This one looks like an elbow, but it's not an elbow. It's a T like this that I took the other side out of it. I cut it off. It makes like a U or like an elbow. Of course, it's also an elbow, just that it's not rounded on the other side like this. So the reason why I'm using this is that when I want the mic stand, the bar edge, when I want it to go down, so it will not be creating another space. That will not make something stable. That's why I'm using it like that. So let's prefer it like that. So this one, the 21 centimeter pipe, insert it. Then what next? After that, I took a wooden, I made a peg bent blades by cutting knife. Make this big like this. This other one can nicely enter 20 mm. 20 mm. That's the main function. What you do is you put this one here. You see it? Then you put the peg. And after that, you have your mic holder. Then you can that I made for myself. This one, I prefer that. If you wish, I prefer to use this shape. I don't know if you will, but I prefer to use this. So. The last thing is to put this one for balancing. In the mic stand, it's so malleable. You can decide to do like this just to make sure in any way you can get the best of the balance. I prefer not to gun it so that I can be able to use it, turn it the way I want it to turn. So I put in a mic. Hey, hey, hey.